Alrighty, so this is my new Cooler Master heatsink. This thing's pretty awesome. I'm loving it. Big old heatsink. Look at that thing. It's my Intel Core i3 under there. Intel Core i3 540. Overclocked to 3.92 gigahertz. AMD Radeon 7770 HD graphic card. EVGA 600 watt power supply plus 80. We got a terabyte hard drive. So Western Digital green, and then we got a 500 gig SATA SSD. Well, we're gonna be adding some more stuff pretty soon. Yeah, I got this case and motherboard off this guy on OffersUp for 40 bucks, believe it or not. It already didn't have this heatsink, of course, or graphic card. It had two of these sticks of RAM, so it had eight gigs in it, which was pretty awesome. Intel Core i3 and 8 gigs of RAM. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It had a graphic card in it, older style. But yeah, I ordered another 8 gigs, so I got a total of 16 gigs DDR3. I upgraded the heatsink with the Cooler Master 212 and graphic card and power supply. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting a glass panel on here. Well, plexiglass panel, but see-through. Do a little custom. That's it.